Hello friends, there are different types of glucometers are available in our pharmacy. Mostly the customer asking always about the difference between each glucometer. As you know, accuracy is the important thing for all the monitoring equipments like glucometer, BP monitor, etc. So while customer asking, we are able to explain the difference between each glucometer in terms of accuracy, and it is very important to know about the difference in each machine in terms of accuracy. Today we are going to discussing about this topic. Welcome to another chapter of 1 Degree Change, a continuous learning program for the pharmacist. If you look all the normal glucometers, you can see two different parts. One is the monitor where you are seeing the reading, and another one in the strip where you have to apply the blood. And one thing is common, all the glucometer strip have one enzyme, and this enzyme determines the glucose specificity or the what accuracy of the particular glucometer. First of all, we have to understand one thing. There are two types of glucometers are available in the market in terms of principle of working. These glucometers are using mainly two methods for determining the glucose level in the blood. First one is the photometric or the colorimetric method. The old machine like AccuCheck Active is using this photometric method for the determining the blood glucose level. In this method, there are, if you look the meter, you can see one light source, and you have to apply the blood in the above in the strip. The glucose in the blood will react with the enzyme in the strip, and a colored complex will form. The intensity of color is directly proportional to the amount of glucose in the blood. And this is a principle of working of the meters like AccuCheck Active. There are a lot of factors will affect the reading of this type of meter, like intensity of light source, and you have to apply the blood in the more amount of blood needed in the center, and if the amount of blood is less means it also will affect the reading. The lot of disadvantages there. So after that, all the newly coming machines, most of the machine like One Touch Ultra, Essentia Contour, Freestyle Freedom Light, almost all the machines are using the electrochemical method. In this electrochemical method, there is a same like there is an enzyme in the strip, and when you are applying the blood in the strip, the glucose in the blood will react with the enzyme in the strip, and the electric current will produce, and the intensity of electric current is directly proportional to the amount of glucose in the blood. So this, as per this principle of working, you can compare the machine what you have. Is it is using photometric method or the electrochemical method. The machine using the electrochemical method is more accurate comparing to the machine using the photometric method. And next one is, what is the enzyme using in each strip. According to the glucose specificity of the enzymes using in each strip, the accuracy of the reading will differ. As you know, our blood contains lot of sugar, not only the glucose, like fructose, galactose, maltose, like that other sugar also available in our blood. So when we are using this enzyme for detecting the glucose specificity of the enzyme is determine the accuracy of the reading. If this enzyme will detect any other sugar like fructose, it will show the more reading. So depends upon the glucose specificity of the enzyme using in the strip, each machine will differ. The most commonly using enzyme GDH-PQQ. This GDH-PQQ is using the machine like AccuCheck Active. Before they are using this GDH-PQQ. The main disadvantage is the fructose interference or the glucose specificity is less in this machine, and in that time FDA given one warning, and after that they changed. AccuCheck Active and AccuCheck Performa changed their enzyme as mutated GDH-PQQ. This is more glucose specific comparing to GDH-PQQ, and lot of other enzyme also came in the market. It is One Touch Ultra is using glucose oxidase. The glucose oxidase is more accurate comparing to GDH-PQQ. Modern machines in the market using GDH-NAD and GDH-FAD. These enzymes are also more accurate comparing to other old enzymes. When you are reading the glucometer, you have to look what enzyme is using in there, and you have to study about the what accuracy or what how much glucose specific this enzymes, and depends on that these glucometers are differ from each other in terms of accuracy. Most of the time our patients are asking us which machine is more accurate. So if you want to able to tell the answer of this question, we have to understand what enzyme is using in each strip, and accordingly you can compare the glucometer in your pharmacy. And if this information is help you to make a 1 degree change in your professional life, please share with your friends. Thank you.